So alright guys, this is last map of this Doves Dispute. I mean, this is second map, sorry, second map. They be this first map because it was due to lag, but we didn't say anything. Totally kept it professional. So you guys can see the memes. Alright, risky or energetic, meanings mellowed, C165. Alright, you see it? Risky, energetic. I had 11 bomb. I might put that on YouTube. I can't play, but this is just for dispute. I hope you guys get banned because I played them with a different partner and they did the same thing. So just wondering what you're gonna do about that. Alright. I'm gonna have to put the camera down so I can go to the next video. Sorry.